In this video, we have a selection of another 5 short tips from the art directors of Cuberto. Without further ado, let's go straight to the first tip. User-friendly search. When using search in an application, it is not always possible to clearly formulate your request. Good developers will take care of users and make a predictive input feature, and good designers will not leave the user alone with a white screen. You can show the most frequent requests popular on the platform and the history of previous requests, thereby immersing a person deeper into the application. This approach resonates more with the users. Navigation. Even in 2020, you can come across a hamburger menu when there are only 4 or 5 sections in the application. This is quite common in cross-platform development when customers want to save money and quickly launch a product. This is when the UX usually suffers. To finally resolve this topic, we recommend using a simple rule. If your application's navigation consists of 5 or less sections, then move the sections to the top bar. This speeds up navigation and reduces the number of steps the user takes to reach the goal. Designing tables. Designing tabular data may not seem like the most creative endeavor, and many designers do not pay enough attention to the specifics of interacting with tables. One of the most common examples is to use the entire table for the scroll area. In complex tables, context can quickly get lost. The best solution would be to fix the zone with the column headers, thus you will always see what data is displayed on the screen. We have previously given some advice on how to distinguish a noob designer from a good designer. So, the ability to make a good website responsive is another indicator. This is a very big mistake to rely in this matter on the customer's comments and their approval for the designable resolutions. First of all, you should check yourself and see your own design on various devices. Check the size of headings and text, indents between the blocks, choose the right format for photo and video content, simplify the structure for complex sections without losing data, and many other little things that need attention. An inexperienced designer makes an adaptation without any self-checking and sometimes doesn't even notice the trivial things when a long headline doesn't fit on a mobile screen and goes beyond it. Swimming eyes. Website or mobile app design is a creative process. In this process, the first stage, when the designer is working on the style, is the most difficult. And it is doubly difficult when you create unique interfaces and not just assemble your layout from ready-made templates. Within the company, we have chosen an approach of creativity and uniqueness, but it is far from always possible to get the desired result the first time. Creating a unique style entails research and experimentation. It usually takes from 3 to 5 days. This is the period when we have time to make many iterations, and each subsequent iteration may turn out to be much better than the previous one. Plus, the advice of the art director and colleagues helps to have a fresh look and avoid the feeling when you no longer understand whether your layout is good enough or there is still room for improvement.